Hey, escape artists, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of us. Good old side hustles. Whether you're looking to boost your income, pursue your passions, or just simply gain more flexibility in your schedule, starting a side hustle, in my opinion, can be an absolute game changer. Now, stick around as we explore seven compelling reasons why everyone, in my opinion, should consider starting a side hustle. Did you know that the average side hustle can bring in an extra $500 to $1,000 per month? Yes, indeed. Now, that's according to recent data from Bankrate, highlighting the potential for significant supplemental income to help you reach your financial goals faster. Now, let's talk about taxes, them fun old taxes. Starting a side hustle can actually come with some pretty sweet tax benefits. As reported by CNBC, expenses related to your side hustle, such as supplies, equipment, and even home office space, can be deducted from your taxable income, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars come tax season. Now, I got to mention home office. I'm not a tax professional, so putting that disclaimer here, make sure you're reaching out to the tax professional, the CPAs, attorneys, all that good stuff. But just from experience of starting an affiliate marketing business that grew nationally, this has been a major subject with my distributors and something I've really enjoyed helping them with, because many of them get on board. We've got so many that I don't get to chat with every single one of them one-on-one. But when I do, this becomes a pretty common and popular subject that I like to make sure they're aware of, and all the benefits, I should say, that they have when starting business with us and the online. Our business basically does things online and offline, so deliveries, all kinds of stuff. I won't go into the depths right now, but the point being is they have so many different angles to offset their W-2 income. So this becomes, again, a great subject, really turns on light bulbs for them and ways to reduce their taxable income, essentially. So really, really great benefit of having a side hustle. Number 3, one of the greatest perks really of a side hustle is the flexibility it offers too. This is incredible. Whether you're a busy parent, a full-time student, or juggling multiple jobs, a side hustle allowed you to work on your own terms. And how cool is that, right? Now, according to an article by Forbes, this flexibility not only reduces stress, but also gives you the freedom to prioritize what matters most in your life. Freedom, baby. Yes, absolutely important. So number 4, let me ask you a question first. Are you passionate about something outside of your day job? So starting a side hustle is the perfect way to turn your passions into profit. Research from Harvard Business Review suggests that pursuing hobbies and interests outside of work can lead to greater job satisfaction and overall well-being. Number 5, another compelling reason to start a side hustle is the opportunity for personal and professional growth. I love this subject. Personal growth, becoming the best version of yourself, absolutely crucial in my opinion. But according to a study published in the Journal of Vocational Behavior, side hustles often require individuals to develop a wide range of skills, from marketing and sales to time management and problem solving, making you more valuable in the job market. Now, hopefully you don't have to stay in that job market, but if you do, that helps. Now, let's talk a little bit about kind of my past, which was being a burned out pharmacist, essentially. That allowed me, when I started off in that entrepreneurial journey, to start understanding more about business. Crucial, right? And again, it's always about personal growth. And in my opinion, again, trying to stretch yourself until the day we die, we leave this physical earth. So the more you can learn, the more you'll be fulfilled and the less regrets that you will have at that time of passing, in my opinion. So anyway, back on to what I learned. Of course, it gave me a ton of financial education as well. Going through the standard professional school or pharmacy school and most any other professions, unless it is in the financial sector, you don't learn much about finances, or what I call financial education. So when you jump into the entrepreneurial type mindset and down that path, you're pretty much going to have to learn a lot more about financial education and budgeting things. Again, whole nother video, but so crucial in the skill set that you get. Of course, marketing skills, sales skills. You start learning more about all these business aspects and actually creating business and how to communicate better. Although you can tell my stumbly butt on these videos, but I've gotten a lot better. So this pushed me out of my comfort zone. So many things that you learn with side hustles increases your skill set. It's just incredible. On to number 6. Diversification is the key to financial success as well. By starting a side hustle, you're not only diversifying your income streams, but also spreading out your risk. And a recent article by the Motley Fool highlights how having multiple sources of income can provide a safety net during uncertain times, such as job loss maybe, or economic downturns. Can you say COVID? Yeah, COVID kind of sound familiar? Yep, exactly why you want to work on a side hustle and having some other streams of income rolling in, baby. That's why. Okay, anyway. Last but not least, starting a side hustle can ignite your entrepreneurial spirit. Oh my gosh, talk about entrepreneurial spirit. Or serial entrepreneurism. I got a little bit of that. Of course, I've been going nuts with that over these last 5 years, and it's so fun, especially when you start figuring things out. You know, it's whether you dream of launching your own business or just simply enjoy the thrill of taking on new challenges. And it can be challenging, definitely not going to lie to you there. But anyway, the side hustle also allows you to test the waters without quitting your day job. Really, really important. Again, people ask me all the time, hey, should I just stop? Will that force me to just make things happen? It could, but I don't recommend it. I'd say do this as a side hustle, right? Get something else going before you take that complete full leap of faith and just quit your day job. Now, as reported actually by Entrepreneur, many successful entrepreneurs started out with a side hustle before turning it into a full-fledged career. Now, that's definitely how I started. Again, started something on the side and worked on getting a little bit of extra cash flowing in while I was figuring things out. Also kind of figuring out maybe what I was more passionate about. And then all the way to ultimately replacing my pharmacist income, which that was my first goal, is just how can I get out of that crazy rat race, man. It was, again, very, very grateful from the education I received and the opportunity. If I wouldn't have gone down that path, it wouldn't have led to the next, thing and the next door opening. So never have regret about anything. Just take that experience and use it as energy. But yes, I wanted to replace my pharmacist income, which was a good, $150,000 per year, which again is a nice amount of income, well above the average for the country. But again, I was burned out, ready to get out of that. But took it all the way from, again, replacing that income. But then I got that entrepreneurial bug, like I spoke about just a few minutes ago, and that spirit, and again, turned into a serial entrepreneur. And it is so fun to be around people like myself and people like you that are watching this channel that are starting to take that leap. So it can happen. And again, that went from replacing the income all the way to ultimately from retiring from that retail grind, basically, right? So it happened because, again, I stayed focused, and it ultimately turned into a strong 7-figure business. Pretty cool. And it can happen for anybody. Again, you just have to be willing to put in the work, grind, all that good stuff, and it can happen and definitely give you some extra income, much needed income, no matter what level you want to take it to. It's up to you. There you have it, folks. 7 compelling reasons why starting a side hustle could be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Whether you're looking to boost your income, pursue your passions, or simply gain more flexibility in your schedule, there has never been a better time to start your side hustle journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful whatsoever, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share and click that little bell for more tips and insights on entrepreneurship and personal finance. Also, come join us in that Telegram community with the link that I left in that description below. And also check out the newest 90-day health challenge video as well if you're interested in reshaping your body. But remember, you are never too old or too young to get started on that path to freedom and financial sovereignty. You just have to take action and get started. Love you guys, and until the next video.